Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Now we come with the topic, which gemstone is suitable for inviting, for bringing wealth in your life. Gemstones can play the role of apparatus for law of attraction and also helps in increasing financial gains. The strength of influence of gemstones over acquiring wealth is documented in ancient Vedic texts. Gemstones contains the concentrated energies which influences the planets and stars as it is associated with it. Placing a group of these gemstones in the left corner of your house or office can improve your financial gains. Carrying them in wallet or keeping them in accounting drawer also helps. Gemstones are naturally structured to conduct energy and hence brings back the wisdom you need to fulfill your financial goals. There are some suitable gemstones which will help to attract wealth and improve your monetary gains. Green aventurine, gemstone associated with the heart chakra, is believed to bring back the money you have lost by making unwise decisions. It is also advisable to hold this stone close to your heart chakra while practicing meditation. It can work as a great companion if you are starting any kind of new venture or a new job. It will give you results as its name is luck talisman. Citrine, also known as the luck merchant's stone, which activates crown chakra. It is used for financial gains and manifesting money. It is advisable to keep this gemstone in cash drawers or wallets of businessmen. Pyrite, also known as fool's gold, is called ultimate stone of luck, prosperity and abundance as it attracts coins and cash, summoning the law of attraction to bring you more and more. Now we come with very important stone, yellow sapphire. Yellow sapphire activates the solar plexus chakra, will radiate energy which will bring your big dreams true. It will also sustain your wants for wealth even in your hard times. It is advisable, I suggest you to wear it on the index finger of right hand. Garnet, this gemstone is ruled by planet Rahu. It helps you to clear your old debts and earn new profit gradually. Green jade, gemstone associated with the heart chakra, has healing energy which dissolves self-imposed limitations like considering one's self unworthy of receiving money. Rather than bringing wealth overnight, it boosts your long-term energy and focus on working towards financial goals of near future, and it is also known as the lucky charm. Emerald, we call it as panna. Emerald gemstone is really cash making, money making, and hence it is also known as abundance crystal. It enhances your thinking process of helping you to make right decisions when it comes to property dealings. Ultimately, it will increase your flow of money in your life. Now we come with blue sapphire, Neelam. Malefic effects of Saturn in your horoscope and negative effects of Sadesati leads to loss of wealth and block the chakras of inflow of money. Wearing blue sapphire will protect you from such negative effects, and hence it will help you to stabilize your wealth and income even during your bad phase. Malachite, this gemstone is associated with heart and throat chakra, and its energies protects one from financial misfortune. It is considered as energy magnet, and money is an energy. Hence, placing it in wallets can lead to providing of attention needed to resolve financial issues. Lastly, we come with the stone pearl. What is pearl? We say moti. Pearl will improve your stability of mind. It will give you peace of mind. Wearing pearl will give you good calmness. You will be able to take good decisions. Apart from all these gemstones, there are different gemstones. I am sure if you are taking consultation from any experienced astrologer, then you will be able to get proper guidance which gemstone to use, when to wear, in which metal to wear, in which finger to wear. I am sure the words, the article which I gave you about gemstones in regard to wealth has proved, and you might have felt that yes, I am happy after following this suggestion. Stay happy. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.